Yep. Okay, brother. This is 6-ton mini excavator, and the bucket is 0.3 cbm bucket. Okay, this is our stuff. He will playing for us. Okay, and his working model is Dosan. It's very famous. And the engine, let's have a look. Okay, it's Yamaha engine. Yes, Yamaha 4-cylinder. It's a big power. Look, it's Yamaha. And the pump is Dosan. And also the CN3 motor also is Japanese Dosan. Also all thing is Dosan. The engine is Yamaha. Also it's Japanese. It's famous, and this one serves very well. Okay, I will let him play for us and make the video.